Staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
So we continued our jeep safari to our next destination for the day, which is a very beautiful waterfall named as Kappakanam. As I told before, the drive will be very bumpy, but the destination they drive you to are just mind-blowing. You will definitely feel that all the troubles were worth it once you reach this spot. Located in the periphery of the reserved forest of the Western Ghats, this place is truly magical, and you can experience here how majestic the jungle actually is. It was indeed a beautiful sight to behold, watching this river sparkle on its way to the waterfall. We stood by the bank of the river for some time and then walked towards an old bridge made of wood, which is another tourist attraction of this place. Although the river is not very deep, it was very scary to walk on the bridge as it was pretty old and a bit shaky too. After spending some good amount of time enjoying the jungle vibe, we headed out to our next destination for the day, which is another breathtaking viewpoint in Vagamon. It was one of the most scariest and adventurous terrains we drove to reach our destination. I I should say that Vagamon is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful offbeat destination in Kerala, and you should definitely consider visiting it. After that, we headed out to our final destination in our Jeep safari named Suicide Point. We spotted a beautiful waterfall from this place, marking the perfect end to our adventurous Jeep safari. Before we left Vagamon, we visited another famous tourist destination here named Pine Valley. Make sure you visit this place in the early morning or the evening hours to witness its true beauty. We had a great time exploring the offbeat beauty of this magical place, and I hope you get a chance to visit Vagamon one day. So with this, we come to the end of our Vagamon trip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till I see you in the next one, take care and goodbye.